In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear order list history on Lazada. If you're looking to tidy up your purchase list in the Lazada app, the key is understanding that most accounts can't permanently delete past orders. Instead, some versions of the app let you hide or archive items so they no longer show up in your main view. I'll walk you through where to find that option and what it actually does so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Lazada app on your device. On the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap the Account tab. This takes you to your personal hub, where you can manage settings, vouchers, and most importantly for today, your purchases. Next, tap My Orders. This page groups everything you've bought, including items that are pending, shipping, or completed. From here, you're going to look for a way to remove an order from your immediate view. Depending on your app version and region, you might see an option like Archive or Hide Order directly on an order card, or you may need to tap a small three dots menu beside the item to reveal more actions. If you do see an option to hide, go ahead and select Hide. The order should disappear from your primary list, helping keep things cleaner and more private when you're scrolling through. A quick note before you proceed, not every user will have this feature. Lazada tests features by market, app version, and sometimes by account type, so it's normal if the hide or archive option doesn't appear for you. If you don't see it, that simply means the feature isn't currently available on your account. In that case, your orders will remain visible in the list, and there isn't a built-in way to clear them from view. It's also important to understand what hiding does and does not do. Hiding removes the entry from your main order list to reduce clutter, but it does not erase the purchase record. Your order details, invoices, and any warranties remain accessible to you, and customer support or sellers can still reference the transaction when needed. Returns, refunds, and dispute timelines are unaffected. Think of it as cleaning up your dashboard rather than deleting history. To recap the flow you'll use each time, open the Lazada app, go to Account, open My Orders, and look for Archive, Hide Order, or a three dots menu. If the option is available, choose Hide to move that order out of sight. If it's not available, your app currently doesn't support hiding orders. That's all you need to know to clear up your order list view on Lazada.